Hey guys, it's Sal here, and I've got 5 exciting new updates about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. From launch date to design leaks and chipset news, this one's packed. Let's get started. Samsung's Unpacked event for the Galaxy S26 lineup is set for February 25, 2025, in San Francisco. That's about 6 weeks later than usual, giving Samsung more time to finalize the lineup. Pre-orders will open the same day, with deliveries starting early March. This year, we might see a fourth phone, the Galaxy S26 Edge, making a comeback. It's under development again, with the codename more slim. The regular S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra are confirmed for launch. Leaked renders show the S26 Ultra has a slightly rounder frame than the S25 Ultra. It's more comfortable to hold but still less curved than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So, Samsung found the perfect balance between flat and curved edges. The S26 series will be the world's first smartphones with Bluetooth 6.1. This brings better privacy, stronger tracking protection, and improved battery efficiency. Expect smoother connections with upcoming devices like the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Samsung confirmed the Exynos 2600 chip for the S26 lineup during their earnings call. Benchmarks show about 3,500 single-core and 11,600 multi-core, clocked at 3.8 GHz. That's close to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Impressive performance for lower power draw. So that's everything new about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. New event date, design tweaks, Bluetooth 6.1, and chipset confirmation. Samsung's bringing the heat this February, and I can't wait to see it live. Hit subscribe for more Galaxy updates, and check out my next video on the Z Fold 8 right here.